In this video, I show you how to make this table saw cart. Hi, I'm AJ and you're watching Woodified. I make DIY and woodworking videos. If you'd like to learn how to do stuff yourself, please subscribe and click the bell notification button so you don't miss any of my videos. Before I make any cuts, I drew a model of the table saw cart in SketchUp. I then used a software program called Cutlist to optimize the layout of the parts on the plywood sheets. I made a video of the Cutlist software. I'll put a link to that video down in the description. Please check it out. My shop is too small to cut a full-size sheet of plywood. However, with my double doors open, I can expand my workspace and still get to use my oat feed table. This was my first time cutting rabbits with a rotor. As you can see here, it turned out to be a complete fail. The bit started to slide out of the rotor and the cut was way deeper than it should have been. The first rabbit that I cut worked out fine, so I wasn't paying as much attention to this cut, and well, it almost went right through the board. So to solve the problem, I resized the width of the table saw cart by cutting off the rabbets on both ends. With the rabbets removed, I switched to pocket holes to join the parts together. Here I'm laying out the location of the pocket holes. Here I'm marking the location of the middle support divider. Here I'm measuring the cart to ensure that it's square. By measuring corner to corner, your measurements should be the same. If they're not, then you can make micro adjustments to make sure that your cart is square. With the cart being square, I flipped over the workpiece, measured for the other side of the middle divider, scribed a line, and screwed her in place. With the center divider in place, I checked for square once again. And I gave myself a thumbs up. It's square. Now, time for the wheels. To make sure that I get the screws in the center of the holes for the casters, I use my center punch to mark the location before drilling out the hole locations for the screws. I went with number 8 5/8 inch screws for the casters. Here I found a scrap piece of 1/2 inch plywood and I'm cutting it to use as a backer. Before I put the backer in place, I'm marking the location of the center support so I can tack a few nails. I'm building this rolling cart for my new table saw. It is a DeWalt WE7491RS. The RS stands for rolling stand. However, the rolling stand legs stick out, and they're a chirping hazard for a small shop like mine. However, if I was doing a lot of cutting outdoors and moving the table saw around, the rolling cart is an excellent, the rolling stand would be an excellent feature to have. However, I need something for my workshop, so I built a table saw cart. I'll leave an affiliate link to this table saw down in the description below. If you're looking for a new table saw, check it out. Or if you just want to support my channel, you can click on one of the affiliate links or my Amazon shop and buy anything. You'll be supporting my channel and it won't cost you anything extra. I designed the height of the table saw cart so the bottom of the miter slot in the table surface is just above the height of my oat feed table. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Of course, the one caster is in the one low spot in my entire shop.